Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 28th, 2016. The U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, what a day today. I have been telling you I have parked my managed accounts until after the election because these stocks are just so unpredictable, reacting to the uncertainty of an unprecedented American election that, of course, will be all over on November 8th. And today really proved my point, if anybody had any doubts at all. First of all, let me just get through the statistics. We closed out $1,500 in our closed out trades, and we are carrying plus $42 over the weekend going into Monday. So obviously what happened today really didn't hurt us too badly, but we just saw some wild swings today because the markets were reacting to election news. Now let me zoom in here on the Dow, and you can see I think I called the Dow down. Well, technically I was right. It closed down 8, but my call had nothing to do with what really happened. Um, the Dow started out positive. It got really pretty positive about the third hour here, and then look at this collapse here. We saw a fall here from this high to this low of 150 points. What's behind that? Well, what's behind it? While I'm trading, I oftentimes watch several news networks, and today the breaking news that caused this fall was the announcement that the FBI was reopening the email investigation of Hillary Clinton. This is coming, about 10 days, 10, 11 days before the election, and just has profound effect on who's going to win that election. We've never had a president or anybody run for the presidency who was under investigation by the FBI. And of course, Hillary has been out from under that cloud since last July, and today the FBI put her back under the cloud. And added to that, to make this even more spicy, this thing apparently came about as a result of the FBI investigating Anthony Weiner, who was involved in texting underage girls. And Anthony Weiner is the husband of Huma Abedin, who is Hillary Clinton's closest advisor. She's so close to her that she actually travels with Hillary in a separate compartment on the airplane when they're moving around the country. So, the FBI is going in, investigating Anthony's sex stuff, and they find classified material on devices belonging either to Anthony or Huma, and they're related to the Hillary Clinton investigation. Well, you couldn't make this story up. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And I've told you that the stock market is heavily invested in Hillary's re-election, and all the polls recently have looked like Hillary's going to be elected president. Now this news comes out, and all of a sudden it looks like, hey, maybe it won't be Hillary, it may be Donald Trump. And I'll tell you another market that collapsed while this was going on. the peso, the Mexican peso, just fell out of bed instantly when this news was announced. Obviously, Mexico doesn't want a Trump presidency either. Okay, I don't want to get into politics too much, but I predicted a while back that Trump would be the next president of the United States. I'm not saying that that's what I want. I'm just saying that is my prediction, and I made that prediction quite a while back. And I was right about Brexit also when nobody else thought Brexit was going to pass. So anyway, what's going to happen if Trump is elected president, the market will collapse. The market will initially collapse. And then it'll come back, and I think we will have one of the biggest bull markets we've ever seen. That is my prediction. So I'm not too concerned about all this, but I'm not trading through this mess. I mean, this is just totally unpredictable. I mean, look at this. Dow goes up, it goes down, it goes up, then it totally collapses, and then it tries to recover again. This is crazy. You can't trade that. And we're lucky that we got out of this as easy as we did. I'll just show you a couple of things that happened today. For some reason, I don't think this had anything to do with the election because of the time. This all took place the last hour, but this is InvenSense, and it just exploded here. The last hour of the day, we jumped in there, and we are holding $2,500 in InvenSense going over the weekend. And then the other stock that is this is a new one for us. At least it's a, you know, I just added this to the group. This is UVXY. That's like the inverse stock market. It's going to go up when the stock market shows weakness. And we bought this right about the time that news broke. And it was really very strongly in our favor for a while. It did back off a little, just like the Dow came back some, but we are holding $1,500 positive in UVXY. So, a very wild day. I don't know, I can't remember, what did I say? I'm calling the Dow down for Monday because I believe this is going to be Hillary Clinton's longest weekend. This news is just going to bubble and boil and fester, and stocks will open decidedly negative on Monday. Oh, I'm not going to worry again too much about this. I'm just going to enjoy my weekend. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. And this is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here on Monday.